All right, I want to thank Daniel Gomez for sending this. All right, we got a sale, new arrival. All right, these are factory blemished. They haven't made their way to the depot shelves because of a little nick, knack, twerp, twip, zerp, and zip. All right. You got the impact wrench. It's going to be fully workable, fully up to the standard impact wrench that you would buy in the store. It's just factory blemished. All right. You got two to choose from. Why they have the Ryobi that is certified pre-owned. So this is used. Okay? Used. And one that is factory blemished with, let's say 600 foot-pounds versus 300. I have no idea. And you also have the tri-beam light. All right, if you don't know about Direct Tools, guys, TTI owns this. So a lot of this stuff is, factory blemished, certified pre-owned. Some of the stuff has been sitting around for a while. Maybe was in the depot, didn't sell, whatever. Yeah, I mean, you might as well get a factory blemished one for why the Ryobi is worth more than the Ridgid is beyond me. It probably has to do with, the amount of Ridgid impact wrenches they have, but I've been talking about it for the last year and a half. Octane, right? Octane, brushless, top of the line, versus some brushed impact wrenches. I don't get it. But like I said, we're starting to see the Ryobi pricing start to really get really close to Ridgid now. Not really sure what Home Depot's, rationale is for this. I apologize, guys. But it's very weird. But anyway, if you want to grab one of these impact wrenches for 65 bucks, you can pick up again, in certain areas there is a Direct Tools outlet store. Best thing to do is probably get it shipped to you. 5 per order. You can order 5 for 300 bucks. I mean, I don't know how much the shipping is. They also have a coupon code. No taxes are included. And shipping probably isn't either. But anyway, guys, for you Ridgid fans out there, something to think about. Right? Or, if you're looking for a cheap impact wrench, maybe you have a couple Ryobi, or maybe you even have a DeWalt or a Milwaukee, but you're looking for something as like a beater or something with a little bit more torque. All right. Depending on what impact wrench you have. I'm trying to see what they consider factory blemished. Can I hit factory blemished? It won't let me. But again, pretty much brand new from the factory. It has some type of defect. It's nothing I would 99% sure say that will, impact the performance of it. All right. So anyway, pretty good deal, folks. Flip, flip, flip.